video where I do a little bit of plumbing. Air conditioning contractors down here are not plumbers like the guys up north, but we are licensed to do gas piping. That's what I do. The plumbers down here are also licensed to do gas piping, but not air conditioning and ventilation. They I think they can install a furnace, because some of the contractors say heating and plumbing, so I think they can do a furnace, but that's about it. But this is some of my plumbing. If you're a real plumber, tell me what you think about it. I was out here on a turn on the gas and light the pilot call, and I found this. This is not only what I consider dangerous, being outside, it's not up to code. So we're going to replace this flex line with galvanized. Let's go one. Nope, I ain't going one more time. I'm just going through the process of fitting everything together and making sure it all fits. I'm gonna screw it all together first, and then we'll come back and put pipe dope on it. Right, I've got it all fitted together. I had to find me a 45 to do that drip leg, but I'm fixing to start putting my rector seal on all these joints and sealing it up. Now, there's one popular plumber on YouTube who likes to put Teflon tape and sealant on these gas pipes. He said ever since he's been doing that, he's never had a leak. That's just not how I do it. Don't mean I'm not willing to learn from him, though. Now let's see if all that fitting I did is gonna work. big space between the two. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to. I might have to come up with something different here. Yeah, I'm thinking that might not be long enough. Let's try that one. That other piece in right here. This looks like it'll match right up. Yeah, that's gonna do nice. Let's see if we got any leaks. All right, here's the moment of truth. I'm not seeing any bubbles. So, that turned out good.